Hello, my name is Sam Park, and for this Model 3 assignment, I've decided to present on big data environment and its components, storage, and its tools. What is big data? Big data is a large and diverse collection of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data that continues to grow exponentially over time. These data sets are so huge and complex in volume, high velocity, and diverse variety that traditional data management system cannot handle and store, process, and analyze them. It requires specialized tools and technologies for storage, processing, and analysis. And big data is mainly used in machine learning, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytics to solve business problems and make informed decisions. Incorporating big data allow the business to increase agility and innovation, improve customer satisfaction, and make operation more efficient. And there are three key characteristics of big data, and these are volume, velocity, and variety. The volume is most commonly associated with big data with high volume that talks about the amount of data that are being collected and produced from variety of sources and devices like social media. For the velocity, it represents the speed that takes big data to be generated. And in modern society, all the data is produced in real time. Therefore, it is important to process, access, and analyze the data at the same rate to complete the real-time data stream, like stock market and social media posts. The variety refers to data being heterogeneous, which allows data to be from many different sources and diverse formats like structured, unstructured, or semi-structured data. What are the key components of big data ecosystem? The big data ecosystem encompasses a variety of tools, technologies, and processes designed to handle large volume of data, which allows the organization to collect, store, process, and analyze the data more efficiently. There are six key components of big data ecosystem, and these are data source, collection, storage, processing, analysis, and data security and governance. Each component plays a crucial role in big data ecosystem, and understanding the components and function allow organization to leverage the data to drive decision making and innovation. First, for the data source, it can be divided into internal and external data sources. And internal data sources include databases, spreadsheets that are the data that are within an organization, while external data sources are sources from external databases and websites like third-party aggregators. For the data collection, it involves gathering data from various sources using APIs, web scraping, and direct database connection. And data storage, it can be divided into two, known as data warehouse and data lake. Data warehouse is where structured data are stored, and data lake is where all the raw data are stored. For the data processing, it requires a program like MapReduce for processing large data set and or Apache Spark, which is an open source unified analytic engine for large scale data processing. For data analytics and data analysis, it requires machine learning algorithm and data visualization tool to analyze data and make prediction and visualization the data for better insight. Lastly, data security and governance are required to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulations. What are the data storage options? Big data storage requires solution for managing the large amount of data generated by the organization. There are two primary solutions, and these are known as data warehouse and data lakes. Each solution has unique characteristic and use cases, making them suitable for different types of data and analytical need. For the data warehouse, the storage option is Hadoop Distributed File System, known as HDFS. And for the data lake, storage options are cloud storage, like known as AWS S3. Data warehouse are centralized repositories designed to store or structure data from various sources, optimized for analytical processing, and used to generate business intelligence and insight. Some key features of the data warehouse are structured data storage, ETL processes, optimized for analytics, and historical data analysis. For the data lake, on the other hand, it's designed to store large volume of raw data in its native format and can be handled structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. These are allowed due to its feature like raw data storage, scalability, diverse data types, and schema on read. For the data warehouse, its advantage is that it's best for structured data and ideal for business intelligence and reporting. However, its limitation is that the data warehouse is expensive and less flexible in handling diverse data types compared to data lakes. For the data lakes, the advantage is that it is best for handling both structured and unstructured data for data science, machine learning, and real-time analytics. And also, it is generally most cost-effective for storing large volume of data compared to data warehouse. However, compared to data warehouse, its limitation are that it lacks organization, potentially poor data quality, and it is challenging to query the raw data. What are the tools for big data? Big data processing frameworks are essential tool for big data that allow organization to handle, process, and analyze large volume of data efficiently. These tools are crucial in providing infrastructure to manage data at scale, allowing business to gather valuable insight and make data-driven decisions. There are a few key big data processing frameworks, and these are Apache Spark, Apache Hadoop, and a cloud-based solution known as Google BigQuery. The Apache Spark is fast and general purpose cluster computing system that provides in-memory processing capability to enhance the speed of data processing tasks like real-time data processing and machine learning and interactive data analysis. This framework includes modules for SQL, streaming, machine learning, and graph processing. For Apache Hadoop, it is one of the most popular big data processing framework that provides a distributed storage and processing system that can handle large data sets across cluster of computer. This framework consists of Hadoop Distributed File System, known as HDFS, for storage and map reduced programming model for processing and Yarn for resource management. This is the best tool for batch processing, data warehousing, and large-scale data analytics. Also, it is beneficial with increasing computing power, fault tolerance, and flexibility in data management as well. Lastly, Google BigQuery is a cloud-based solution that is fully managed and an AI-ready data platform that allows the user to manage and analyze the data by combining a close-based data warehouse and powerful analytic tools. Also, it is used co col- columnar storage format that is optimized for analytic queries and visualize the data. This tool allows user to use language like SQL and Python to answer questions with zero infrastructure management. Conclusion. Big data processing frameworks are crucial for managing and analyzing the large data sets. There are a few factors to consider before picking the best framework, like natural of the data, processing requirements, and the specific use cases. For the natural of the data, it is important to consider data volume and velocity. For high velocity data stream framework like Apache Flink and Apache Storm are the best fit. Apache Hadoop and Apache Spark are suitable for large volume of data. For the processing requirement, real-time processing can be done by Apache Storm and Apache Flink, while batch processing can be done by Apache Hadoop. Lastly, for integration and ecosystem, consider the existing technology stack and how well the framework integrates with other tools and systems in use before picking the framework. Therefore, it is important to consider all factors and understanding the strengths and use of each framework to select the right framework to unlock the full potential of their data, driving innovation and gaining a competitive advantage in the field. Thank you so much for your time.